Hey, my name's Sam Faraday, and I'm happy you're here today to learn how Uipath work creates and operates an attended robot. Uipath has mainly three types of robots. The most common one are attended robots, which are robots that work side by side with humans on their desktops and act like personal assistants to help with daily tasks. Employees access, schedule, and run attended automations in UiPath Assistant. That's type number one. Type number two is an attended robot. The main objectives of this video: they work independently in the background and handle task-heavy, long-running processes. Unattended robots will check in with employees for validation or if there's a question or exceptions via UiPath Action Center. And the third type is a hybrid robot. Hybrid robots, attended and unattended robots, provide support for users and back-end processing in a single solution. First, go to cloud.uipath.com and sign in to your account. Once you signed in, make sure you are at home, then click tenant, in my case default tenant, and let's create a new folder. Click again tenant, folders, and new folder, and let's give it a name, Sam Unattended Robot. You may give it a description if you want, and please make sure to check create a new package feed for this folder, otherwise the package will be loaded into the main tenant. Now go to Manage Access, find your user, in my case Sam Faraday, studio1.samfaraday. Click the three black dots, then hit Edit, then go to Next and enable unattended robot. Next, click in Settings, Machine Login Credentials, and make sure you enter your domain and username, and don't trust what you see here. To make sure you have your right domain and username, go to your Windows, then find your CMD command line, then type who am I and copy this information. Then paste it here. Next step, you should give it your Windows PIN or password. Click Update. Now let's set up a machine unattended license. Go to Machines, then locate your machine, click the three black dots, then click Edit Machine, and make sure in the production unattended you have one. As a community edition, you have only one unattended license, so type in 1 and click Update. Hey there! Now it's high time to create our unattended robot. Go to Uipath, then in New Project, create a new process. Let's call it Sam Unattended Robot. Give it the same description and hit Create. We're going to create a very simple robot that will log in a message. As simple as that. Click Open Main workflow, go to activities, find the log message. If it's not there, just type in log message, drag and drop it. The log level should be information only, and the message, we're gonna say my first unattended robot just ran. Then save it. Now let's publish our process. Before we do that, click here and select the folder we have just created. In this case, Sam Unattended Robot. Then go to Publish. In the Publish options, make sure you have orchestration or orchestrator Sam Unattended Robot feed. Then click Next and publish it. Done. Now go to your folders, in this case Sam Unattended Robot. Then go to Machines. Then click Manage Machines in Folder. Select your machine template, then click Update. Now click Refresh, and you're gonna see in this folder we now have a machine attached to it. Now let us create an automation. Go to Automations, then click Add Process. In the package source name, click down and select Sam Unattended Robot. Then click Next. Then click Next. There is no special configuration. You can give it a name if you want, it is optional. In this case, let's just hit Create. Now our robot is finally done. We have two options to run this unattended robot. We could just click Start Now or add a trigger and schedule it. We're gonna see it in the next step. So let's run our robot. First, we're gonna run it through Orchestrator, and let's click Start Now. We see our process name, Sam Unattended Robot. Click Start, and in the Jobs section we see that we have run it 2 times. We have all the information 12 minutes ago and a few seconds ago. You can also check the log message. In here we're gonna find 3 information for every time it runs. The start time, the message that we have just logged, my first unattended robot just ran. There is a misspelling here. And then the end, some unattended robot execution ended. This was one way. The other way is to add a trigger. So go to Triggers, add a new trigger, give it a name, Sam Unattended Robot. Choose your time zone, and you can then choose to run it every minute, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and also in advanced option. Then you need to select the process name to run. and click add. Let's see it running every 1 minute. So our trigger is done. It is next runtime is gonna be in a few seconds, and then every minute we're gonna see it running until we go back here and disable this trigger. Let's go to the log and see it. So it ran at 12:12, 12:09, and that's it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.